Welcome to Gujranwala, a city that perfectly blends rich cultural heritage, economic importance and natural beauty. You think you know about hidden gems? Gujranwala is like that friend you had no idea was loaded. They're out here with a centuries-old family business, a killer art collection, and they still pick up the tab every time. Let's dive into what makes this city in Punjab, Pakistan, so unique. Okay folks, buckle up, because we're about to take a trip back in time. We're diving deep into the annals of history, exploring the rich tapestry that makes up the city of Gujranwala. Gujranwala isn't some Johnny-come-lately city. It's got history, and not just any history, but a legacy that stretches back through the ages. And I'm not talking about a couple hundred years. We're delving into millennia, where every stone and street has a story to tell. We're talking ancient times, back when it was part of the Gujarat region, a significant area that played a crucial role in the subcontinent's history. A major hub for trade and culture. Imagine a place where merchants from far and wide would gather, exchanging goods, ideas, and traditions. Think of it like the Silicon Valley of its day, but instead of coding apps, they were crafting empires and writing poetry that would make your high school English teacher weep. The artisans and craftsmen of Gujranwala were renowned for their skills, creating masterpieces that have stood the test of time. They were crafting empires and writing poetry that would make your high school English teacher weep. The literary contributions from this region have been monumental, influencing generations of poets and writers. Over the centuries, Gujranwala has seen it all. Empires rising and falling, each leaving behind a legacy of architectural marvels and cultural imprints. Dynasties being established, and the ebb and flow of power. The city has been a silent witness to the grand narratives of history, where power dynamics shifted like the sands of time. The Mughals, those architectural geniuses, left their mark, with their intricate designs and majestic structures that still stand tall today. And let's not forget the Gujar tribe, like the OG crew who gave the city its name. Their traditions and way of life have been integral to the identity of Gujranwala. We're talking centuries of stories etched into the very fabric of this place. Every corner, every street has a tale to tell, from ancient inscriptions to the whispers of the past. From ancient trade routes to the whispers of emperors, Gujranwala has been a crossroads of civilizations, a melting pot of cultures and ideas. Gujranwala has been at the heart of it all. Its central location made it a pivotal point for trade, politics, and cultural exchange. It's a city that has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, each era adding a new layer to its rich history. The birth of legends, and the enduring spirit of its people. The people of Gujranwala have carried forward the legacy of their ancestors, celebrating their heritage with pride and resilience. Alright, let's talk business. Gujranwala, a city that might not be on everyone's radar, is a hidden gem in the economic landscape of Pakistan. Gujranwala isn't just resting on its historical laurels, it's a city that has seamlessly blended its rich past with a dynamic present. This city is an economic engine, pumping out goods like there's no tomorrow. The industrial zones are buzzing with activity, and the factories are working round the clock. We're talking steel, cement, electrical appliances. You name it, Gujranwala makes it. The city's production capabilities are vast and varied, catering to both domestic and international markets. Think of it as the workshop of Pakistan, where raw materials are transformed into the building blocks of a nation. The craftsmanship and precision that go into these products are second to none. But it's not just heavy industry. Gujranwala is a master weaver in the global tapestry of trade. The city has diversified its industrial portfolio to include textiles, ceramics, and food processing. Textiles, ceramics, food processing, they've got their fingers in all the pies. Each sector is a testament to the city's adaptability and innovation. And when Gujranwala sneezes, the Pakistani economy catches a cold. The city's economic health is intrinsically linked to the nation's overall prosperity. That's the kind of influence we're talking about. The city's impact is felt far and wide, from the bustling markets to the towering factories. This is a city that understands hustle. The streets are alive with the energy of countless small businesses and street vendors, each contributing to the vibrant economy. It's a place where generations of artisans and entrepreneurs have honed their skills, building businesses that compete on a global stage. The entrepreneurial spirit here is palpable, driving innovation and growth. It's the embodiment of hard work and ingenuity, a testament to the entrepreneurial spirit that thrives in the heart of Punjab. Gujranwala stands as a beacon of economic resilience and creativity, a true powerhouse in every sense of the word. Now, you might think a city known for its industry would be all smoke and steel. Gujranwala, with its bustling factories and towering smokestacks, is often seen as the heart of Pakistan's steel industry. The cityscape is dominated by industrial structures, and the air is filled with the hum of machinery. It's a place where hard work and innovation come together to drive the economy forward. But hold on to your hats, folks, because Gujranwala has a secret: natural beauty. Just a short drive from the industrial hub, you'll find yourself in the serene countryside of Punjab. The contrast is striking, as the urban hustle and bustle give way to the tranquil green fields that stretch out in every direction. It's a hidden gem that many overlook. Yeah, you heard that right. Step outside the city limits, and you'll find yourself surrounded by the kind of scenery that makes you want to break into a spontaneous Bhangra dance. The wide open spaces and the vibrant culture of the rural areas are a refreshing change from the industrial landscape. It's a place where traditions are alive and well, and the joy of life is palpable. Think lush green fields stretching as far as the eye can see, the lifeblood of the land flowing through rivers and canals. These waterways are the veins that nourish the fertile soil, making it possible for the land to produce bountiful harvests year after year. The sight of these fields, with their rich, green hues, is a testament to the natural beauty and agricultural wealth of the region. This is where the earth gives back, providing the wheat, sugarcane, rice, and cotton that sustain a nation. The hard-working farmers of Punjab toil day in and day out to ensure that the land remains productive. Their efforts are rewarded with abundant crops that not only feed the local population, but also contribute significantly to the national economy. It's a cycle of giving and receiving that has been going on for generations. We're talking about the real Punjab here, the kind of rural landscape that poets write about and artists try to capture on canvas. The beauty of this region has inspired countless works of art and literature, and it's easy to see why. The rolling fields, the traditional farming practices, and the simple yet fulfilling way of life all come together to create a picture-perfect scene. It's a side of Gujranwala that often gets overlooked but is just as vital to its identity. While the city is known for its industrial prowess, the surrounding countryside is a reminder of its roots and the natural beauty that still thrives. It's a place where the past and present coexist, and where the future is being shaped by the harmony between industry and nature. And for those who need a little green space in their lives, Gujranwala has got you covered. Jinnah Park, with its well-maintained lawns and peaceful atmosphere, offers a perfect escape from the urban chaos. It's a place where families can come together, children can play, and everyone can enjoy a moment of tranquility. Iqbal Park. These aren't just parks. They're oases of calm in the urban jungle. These green spaces provide a much-needed respite from the daily grind, allowing people to reconnect with nature and recharge their spirits. Whether you're taking a leisurely stroll, having a picnic, or simply sitting and enjoying the scenery, these parks are a testament to the city's commitment to preserving its natural beauty amidst the industrial landscape. Let's talk weather, shall we? Gujranwala doesn't do things by halves, especially when it comes to its climate. We're talking hot, and I mean scorching hot summers, the kind where you can practically fry an egg on the sidewalk. But hey, that's what mango lassi is for, right? But don't worry, it's not all sweltering heat. Winters in Gujranwala are like a warm embrace, perfect for cozying up with a cup of chai and some good conversation. And then there's the monsoon season, when the heavens open up and drench the land in a much-needed shower. It's a time for renewal, for the earth to quench its thirst and prepare for the next cycle of growth. It's a reminder that even in the heart of industry, nature finds a way to make its presence felt. Now, let's talk about what really makes Gujranwala sing. Its culture. This is a city that pulsates with the rhythm of Punjab, where traditions are passed down through generations like precious heirlooms. We're talking about the kind of place where you can still hear the echoes of ancient folktales, and witness the vibrancy of traditional music and dance. And when it comes to festivals, Gujranwala goes all out. Eid, the festival of lights and joy, is celebrated with an enthusiasm that's contagious. And then there's Baisakhi, the harvest festival, a vibrant tapestry of color, music and dance that celebrates the bounty of the land. It's a reminder of the deep connection between the people and their agricultural roots, a celebration of life, abundance, and the enduring spirit of community. Okay folks, get ready to loosen your belts, because we're about to dive into the culinary delights of Gujranwala. This is a city that takes its food seriously, and when it comes to Punjabi cuisine, they wrote the book. We're talking about food that's rich in flavor, generous in portion, and guaranteed to leave you wanting more. And trust me, you haven't lived until you've tasted the melt-in-your-mouth goodness of Gujranwala tikka, the smoky, spicy perfection of chapli kebab, or the slow-cooked magic of saji. This is food that's meant to be shared, enjoyed with family and friends, a celebration of life's simple pleasures. It's the kind of food that stays with you long after you've finished the last bite, a testament to the culinary heritage of a region. Now, here's something you might not know about Gujranwala. This city produces wrestling legends like it's nobody's business. We're talking about a legacy of strength, skill, and athleticism that's deeply ingrained in the city's DNA. Walk down any street, and you're likely to find a wrestling academy or two, where young hopefuls are training to become the next generation of champions. It's a testament to the city's fighting spirit, the determination to overcome challenges and emerge victorious. And let's not forget the roar of the crowd, the electrifying atmosphere of a local wrestling match. It's a spectacle that's both thrilling and deeply rooted in tradition, a testament to the enduring appeal of this ancient sport. That's a glimpse into the vibrant city of Gujranwala. From its rich history and cultural heritage to its natural beauty and economic significance, Gujranwala truly offers a unique slice of life in Punjab, Pakistan. It's a city that defies easy categorization, a place where ancient traditions coexist with modern aspirations, where the aroma of spices mingles with the hum of industry. So the next time you're looking for an adventure that's off the beaten path, remember Gujranwala. It's a city that will surprise you, challenge you, and ultimately leave you wanting more. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content.